Hello YouTube, it's Soprano Musings abroad, and I have made it. That was the smoothest check-in, smoothest TSA experience I've ever had. And I don't fly that often, but when I do, I remember, and I remember it not being that smooth. uh, it is a little after 8:30 a.m., so it's very quiet. And even I have to admit, it's much quieter than I have normally experienced in an airport. But I'm not gonna lie, the introvert in me loves this. So far, everyone is wearing masks, even though there are a few that are wearing them improperly. But otherwise, it's okay. My flight is not due to arrive until, I want to say, another 2 hours. So I'm just gonna walk around and show you guys hopefully some interesting things before I fly off. And yeah, so as always, be inspired, stay inspiring, and I will see you in my next video.
안전한 여행하시기 바랍니다. Check out the preventive measures regarding novel coronavirus infection and travel safely. 입국전에 이용할 수 있는 시설들을 알려드릴게요. How was your flight? I am a bit bored because I am only ever inside. 아래 항공편들은 지금 탑승 중입니다. 서둘러 게이트로 이동하세요. Please check the flight status at risk and please get the gate on time. 인천공항에서 좋은 시간 보내셨나요? 저랑 같이 사진 찍고 가세요. Wow, you look great today. May I take a picture for you? How would you like me to look when you take pictures? Okay, I'll stay with blank face for 30 seconds. Please take a picture of me in a nice pose next to me. Let's begin. Come next to me and take a photo with your phone or camera. Two pictures below. Please look at my face. Starts the shooting automatically after 3 seconds. I'll take it. 3, 2, 1. Remember, pick one of the 3 pictures and share it.
I can only take.
Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you. If I may, I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may. All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, if I may. All I would do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to.